Hey guys, and welcome back to All Things LaToya. Good morning. So, yeah, I'm just gonna be filming my day today. I'm gonna try to post a video every day this month if I possibly can. Trying to get started for Vlogmas because I normally don't complete Vlogmas, but I would like to be committed and do so. So we're gonna use this month as a trial run. I kind of already missed November 1st, but I'm gonna see if I can catch up. So I'm literally trying to vlog or record something, edit it the same day, and then post it. So anyway, if you're new here, thanks so much for stopping in. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload videos. And if you're not new here, thanks for all your love and support. Well, let's get into the video. Right now, I am just putting some clothes in the dryer. My husband is extra as I don't know what, so like I have to put his clothes in the dryer for like 5 minutes and then hang them up. Super annoying. So that's what I'm doing right now. So and you guys are gonna hang out with me while I do it. Just like I said, around the house doing stuff, but I wanted to tell y'all what I did. So I've been trying to sell some stuff in our house just because we want to get rid of some stuff and get some new stuff. And so I don't know why my earring keeps falling off. So anyway, I have been working on selling our table. We had this really nice table. It was like this cherry oak table or some type of oak wood table. I don't know. Anyway, really nice. It retails at like $1,100. I sold it for $125, and it was a leaf. So that means basically it can expand. It was like an oval table and you can expand it. But the issue with that is our like dining room area, my husband uses it for an office. So it was just kind of in the middle and kind of I feel like it was in the way because we have like an open floor plan. And so now I sold it, and I just realized like we're hosting Thanksgiving and Christmas, like where they gonna sit? It was the dumbest thing I've ever done. So now I gotta figure out. But you know how like when you want to just get rid of something, like you just want to get rid of it, and that's just kind of what it was. So yeah. So now I gotta figure out what we're gonna do for a table and things like that. So we have a really big house, and when we moved in here, it's like 3,000 square feet. So like we had to buy extra furniture and stuff to like fill the house. So like the table chairs we were using for everything, like for like in the backyard, for the patio furniture, and like if I needed to sit at the computer chair down here. So we need like a lot of small little items. So now that we've sold it, we're gonna have to get those items. So I'm currently on Amazon. Well, I was on Amazon. I'm now on At Home, trying to figure out like what the heck we're gonna buy. Like I'm gonna show y'all some ones that I really like, but I just think they might be too bold. All right, so these are the ones right here that I was looking at. I think they're really cute, but we'll see. I don't know if those are the ones that we're gonna get, but anywho, most of the bar stools don't come in like 4s, and if they do, they're just kind of plain. So like the more expensive ones normally come in like a set of 2, or just like you have to buy them a single stool at a time. So but yeah, so that's just kind of what I'm doing. Now I gotta go back and get my husband.
Life in a world that keeps changing, think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy.
Toys, which we need to get a Montessori shelf for, so I'm also looking for one of those. This is the whole area right here now. I have to find a table or something to go here. So y'all have any ideas, put them in the comments. Anywho, so yeah, just did a little cleaning up. I'm sitting at my desk using my All Shades Queen because my lips are dry. Make sure you visit us at www.allshadesqueen.com. Pick you up some lip gloss. We have a lot of new items coming out. I'm not sure if it's gonna be like Christmas time or just New Year's time. We'll see. Just want to make sure everything is in order before I do that. And anyway, just sitting here drinking my coffee and kind of trying to figure out the next thing I'm gonna do. I'm really tired. My morning starts super early with my son, especially with the time change. He got up like, oh my god, super early this morning. So I will be up until midnight because I
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping.
yeah. Okay, let's go down here. I'm gonna get some of these because it smells like cinnamon. We're gonna have to put this in something. It smells so good. So now we're at home, made it back from the store, and feeding this little guy. He is just super excited. He hasn't had really any sugar. I'm not sure what's going on, but he's normally and genuinely a happy baby. So yeah, I'm gonna feed him, and then I'll show you guys what I bought from the dollar store, which wasn't a lot. Are you still hungry? Alright, so I'm just gonna go over what I purchased real quick here. Only spent like $37. That little tree was $15. Bought that for Eli. Super cute. This is all for me to decorate my staircase. So we're gonna go with the black, white, and red theme. Really cute. I don't know where it came from, but I just really like those. And then of course I bought some garland with snow on it. I bought basically 2 of everything. I also bought a skirt for his little tree that you'll see. And then I also bought some red garland to intertwine within the green garland. So yeah, that was pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned. I'll be doing a little decorating, and I'll see you guys in the next video.